Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HyperX headset, quick fix step by step clearly. To connect your HyperX headset, start by ensuring you have all necessary components. Take the HyperX headset out of its packaging. Identify the headset's connector type, which can be either USB or 3.5 mm. For a USB connection, plug the USB connector into an available USB port on your device. For a 3.5 mm connection, locate the headphone jack on your device. Insert the 3.5 mm connector into the headphone jack securely. If your headset has a detachable microphone, ensure it is plugged in properly. Once connected, check if your device recognizes the headset. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar. Select Sounds and navigate to the Playback tab. Find your HyperX headset in the list of devices. Set it as the default device by right-clicking and selecting Set as Default. Adjust the volume levels if necessary. For Mac users, click the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Go to Sound and then the Output tab. Choose your HyperX headset from the list. Make sure the volume is adjusted to your liking. If your headset features RGB lighting, check for software options to customize it. Launch the HyperX Ingenuity software if available. Follow the prompts to manage audio settings and lighting options. Now, test your headset by playing audio or making a call. If you hear sound and the microphone works, your headset is successfully connected. If you encounter issues, try reconnecting the headset or using a different port. Ensure any necessary drivers are updated for optimal performance. You are now ready to enjoy your HyperX headset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.